So here it is. I bought this off Amazon, and this is the kit. Model 9160. I have zero experience in soldering. I should say zero. I mean, the last time I did it would have been about 25 years ago, maybe a little bit longer, when I was a student at uni and we were soldering stuff like breadboards, circuit boards and that kind of stuff. And I haven't had to use those skills after that in any way, shape or form. But now I'm in RC, I want to do it. And one of the things I want to do was shorten the length between certain things, so shorten like wires lengths and stuff like that, and also add connectors. Once I get the hang of it, I might start doing other bits and bobs, but initially I thought this would be a good thing to get. And as you can see, it comes with a nice case, but let's open it all up. This is everything you get in it. Oh wow. So you got all, I guess, the different, well, that's the holder right there, the base. Yeah, that's fine. You get some insulating tape. I don't know what half this stuff is. Obviously I know what that is, screwdrivers and stuff like that. It's fine. You got a little, that's a good thing that I wanted to get, which at some point I wanted to get, but I've got this as well, which is the actual voltage checker, voltmeter, amp meter, all that kind of stuff. You've got the different I guess the nibs, as it were. Got a Stanley knife. I mean, this is, I say a Stanley knife, a knife, blade. I've got proper decent ones of my own, proper Stanley knife blades, but I'll keep this in here. The main things I'm going to be using is literally this with the nibs. I've got my own sort of soldering and stuff like that, and even the tape I've got. So I won't be really using anything else. But yeah, for the price I paid, this is, I don't know, a lot of you guys and girls will be quite adept and expert at this. So you might turn around and go, well, it's not so good, or you could have got this. But the thing is, for the budget I had, and because I'm starting off, I'm not going to be spending loads and loads of money on stuff. I'd rather just, because I'm hardly going to use it. It's only for stuff like this. So in short, what I'm going to be doing is shortening the distance between the ESC and the motor, and replacing the connector with XT60s. Now you'll see this is one that I used when I was racing and it burnt, so I'm going to cut this off and place it with XT60s here, shorten the length and solder it to the motor. So that's going to be the first thing, and that's going to be, you know, if it doesn't work, then anyway, this is, I think, a bit broken, so it's not a huge loss to me if I can get it going just by resoldering, and then hopefully that'll be all right. But we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. But yeah, this is it. I'll put a link below, so you guys and girls who are interested in this can see where it is and see how much I paid for it, and well, let me know what you think. So ciao for now.